In today's video, I'll show you guys how to speed up your internet on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select view by to large icons and select network and sharing center and select change adapter settings. Right click on internet connection and select properties. Select this configure. Go to power management tab and uncheck this option. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. This keeps your network adapter active all the time, helping to improve your internet connection and reduce connectivity issues. So click on OK to save changes and then close tab here. And the next step is gonna make the internet more stable and help website load faster. Go to search menu and type run. Click on open it and type ncpa.cpl. Click on OK. Right click on your internet connection and select properties. Select the internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and type 8888. An alternative DNS server type 8844. Click on OK to save changes. Then close tab here. Windows default setting limit your internet performance in some situation. For example, if you have a 100 Mbps connection, you might not allow to get full speed and could see speed like 80 Mbps. So we can change it to max amount of speed. Go to search menu and type run. Click on open it and type gpedit.msc and click on OK. Under the computer configuration, expanders, expand administrative templates, network, and then find Q as pocket scheduler. Right side, you can have to see limit reservable bandwidth. Set this to enable and bandwidth set this to 0 and select apply and OK for save changes. Just close tab here and restart your PC. These steps will improve your internet connection. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.